Hello everyone and welcome back. In today's video, I'll show you how to connect Google Merchant Center to your Shopify store. Connecting Google Merchant Center allows your products to appear on Google Shopping, free listings, and makes it much easier to run Google Shopping campaigns. Shopify has an official integration that simplifies the entire setup process, so let's walk through it step by step. First, log into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Apps and Sales Channels. If you don't already have it installed, click Shopify App Store, search for Google and YouTube, and install the official app developed by Shopify. Once the installation is complete, open the app to begin the setup. Next, click Get Started and sign in with your Google account. It's recommended to use the same Google account you'll use for Google Merchant Center and Google Ads. This keeps all your Google services connected under one account and makes managing your products much easier. After signing in, the app will ask you to connect your Google Merchant Center account. If you already have one, simply select it from the list. If you don't, Shopify can help you create a new Merchant Center account by entering your business information and confirming your website details. Once your Merchant Center account is connected, Shopify will automatically create and sync your product feed. This means your products, images, prices, inventory, and availability are sent directly to Google without needing to upload spreadsheets manually. Any future product updates you make in Shopify will also sync automatically. Now, review your shipping and tax settings inside Merchant Center. These settings should match what customers see during checkout in your Shopify store. Incorrect shipping or tax information is one of the most common reasons products are disapproved. Next, go to the Products section inside Google Merchant Center and review the Diagnostics page. If Google detects missing product identifiers, image quality issues, or policy violations, you'll see them listed here. Resolve any warnings so your products have the best chance of being approved quickly. Another recommended step is connecting Google Ads through the same Google and YouTube app. This allows your approved Merchant Center products to be used for shopping campaigns and Performance Max campaigns without additional manual configuration. After completing the setup, wait for Google to review your products. Depending on your account and the number of products, this review process can take anywhere from a few hours to several days. During this time, continue checking Merchant Center for any new notifications or required actions. To improve your product performance, optimize your product titles, descriptions, and images inside Shopify. Since Merchant Center uses the information from your Shopify store, clear product data can help your listings appear for more relevant searches and improve click-through rates. Finally, check the Google and YouTube app periodically to ensure your account remains connected and your product sync is successful. If you add new products or update existing ones, Shopify will automatically send those changes to Google, making it easy to keep your listings current. And that's it. That's how to connect Google Merchant Center to your Shopify store. By installing the Google and YouTube app, connecting your Google account, syncing your products, reviewing Merchant Center diagnostics, and optimizing your product listings, you'll be ready to showcase your products across Google shopping platforms. Thanks for watching. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel for more Shopify tips and tutorials, and I'll see you in the next one.